Unfortunately, we were in the mall and in the stores, and we don't have the right to film. I don't know why, but we just don't. And we did this random act of kindness. We weren't even planning on filming it. We wanted to do it just because it made us feel great. And we were just like, hey, let's actually just try this, because, you know, when you plan to do stuff, you have to ask if we can film it and whatever. Yeah, okay. Anyways, this is an amazing moment for all of us, and here it is.
Okay, so we went into Carlton Cards, and there was this lady working behind the counter. So we gave her a bouquet of flowers, and she was completely speechless. She asked why, and we told her it was because we wanted to be kind to everyone, so that we hope they would spread the kindness. And when we gave it to her, we said, thanks for all your hard work, everyone appreciates it. And she came around the counter and gave us all hugs, and it made us feel so good inside. We felt so great. It was just amazing.
And the reason why we're doing this, it's not like because, oh hey, yeah, look at us, we're cooler than everyone else because we're filming ourselves doing things. It's not that at all. It's the fact that we're doing stuff kind, and there's not enough kindness in the world anymore. Like, people don't just open up doors for other people just because that's the nice thing to do. Like, it just makes people feel great when people do that. It made us feel great, and it made the people we helped feel great too. So that's our story. Yeah.